Today we're going to talk about opportunities for application optimization. So you basically take and measure your performance. So let's just say you click and it comes back and it takes 10 seconds. And you then take a look at that transaction with an analyzer, etc., and you then calculate what it's doing and figure out theoretically how long that should take, or experientially how long that should take. And let's just say you come up with 10 seconds and as a measured performance, and you found that you could theoretically get this done in under a second. So there's 9 seconds of what we call optimization opportunity. Well, that's the first thing that you need to do, is to determine if your optimization is viable, if you're getting a material return on your investment. So you take a look at measured performance, calculate theoretical performance, and arrive at your optimization opportunity. Okay, after that, you want to take a look at some real information. So here is an actual trace file, a SYN, ACK, ACK. So how long does it take to connect up across the network? Well, it takes 4 milliseconds to connect up to the application and back at the TCP layer. Then it goes and it says, okay, connect user Oracle. And he comes over here and he gets a, hey, resend this, and that takes 73 milliseconds. Then he resends it, and it comes back in a half a millisecond. So you can see right here that that's quite a bit of time. 73 milliseconds is a very long time. And if you only do it once per transaction, you're only burning under 100 milliseconds. However, this particular transaction performs about 86 queries, and each one of those queries starts out with a 73 millisecond connect request to the Oracle database. Well, that's going to take 86 times 73 milliseconds. So it's going to be pretty substantial in how much that costs you in the form of the transaction. That's an extra 6 seconds added to your transaction already. So if you could basically reduce that down, that would be, optimal. However, let's just think about this. What if you only logged in one time and then performed 86 queries across a persistent connection? That would be a better way of architecting this application, and then indeed that is the suggested optimization. So in the next session we're going to talk about, to your CIO, what this means in dollars and cents and how to justify your return on investment for something that you're looking at trying to optimize. Now, optimization is free, right? It's just something that you have to do. Sadly, today, most of your optimizations are in the form of large-scale forklift upgrades, and sadly, not a lot of times we don't even look at opportunities to optimize the existing systems. Well, those opportunities do in fact exist, and in the time of a tough economy and tight budgets, we're starting to go back and take a look at how can we optimize what we already own and improve our life cycle cost and improve our applications. So that's what we're talking about today.